You know, spiced apple salad probably came about as a clever way to make the most of apples during the colder months. Imagine someone in the kitchen, mixing sweet and tart apples with warm spices like cinnamon and cloves to create something cozy and comforting. It's that perfect blend of refreshing and warming flavors, making it a hit at autumn and winter gatherings. Honey-stung potatoes likely came from someone wanting to add a little sweetness and warmth to their usual potato dish. Picture this: someone drizzling honey over crispy, golden potatoes, maybe with a hint of spice, creating this delicious contrast between sweet and savory. It's that kind of comfort food that brings a touch of something special to the table, especially when you're craving a cozy, satisfying meal. Plus, they're simple enough to whip up any night of the week, but impressive enough to serve to guests. Corn and squash velvet likely started as a way to combine the best of late summer and autumn produce into one creamy, comforting dish. Imagine someone blending sweet corn and tender squash into a smooth, velvety soup, maybe adding a touch of cream or butter for that extra richness. It's the kind of dish that feels like a warm hug on a cool evening, perfect for when the weather starts to turn. Easy to make, but with a taste that feels special. It's the sort of recipe you'll want to keep in your back pocket for both weeknight dinners and holiday gatherings. Plus, it's a great way to showcase the natural sweetness of these seasonal vegetables in a way that's both simple and satisfying.